Hello everybody, this is Tushar Vakti and you're watching Be10x and I'm back again with one more amazing video. And in this video, I'm going to actually let you know that how can you create a website with the help of AI, and that too within few seconds. You don't need to actually focus on what kind of title, what kind of description, what kind of images, what kind of design, UI, UX you need to focus on. If you are a startup company, if you are a marketer, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a content creator, or if you're a student, you might be anyone. If you're looking just for a website and you don't want to spend lots of money creating one, and if you're not having any prior experience in coding, development, web designing, UI, UX, or in any of these stuff, I'm going to actually help you that how can you do that with the help of that one AI tool.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
So if we just go to Google and search like how to, create a website using AI. So obviously you will be seeing a lot of results in Wix, Hostinger, and then this PropTui, and then Appify, a lot of website durable. But still you might be wondering that which is one of the best, AI website builder that you can actually use to create a website. So do not worry, because I'm actually here to let you know that how can you do that and what is the solution. So all you have to do is search for something like CodeDesign AI in the Google search bar. So CodeDesign AI is the AI website builder which will actually be helping you to create the website with the help of AI within few seconds. So how to do so, what will be the process, how can you build the website, do you need some kind of experience, how can you create and rewrite the content, each and everything you can do, how to do so, I'll be letting you each and everything. Just let's click on it, and this is the website that we were talking about. Let me just make it full screen. AI website builder. So this is telling us that build, host, and export in minutes. 1 lakh businesses have created their AI websites with us. So what kind of AI website do I want? So I'm writing something like a portfolio website showcasing all my podcast video. The main agenda of the website is to attract the business in order to hire me as an agency. Let's click on the generate website and let's see how the result is. So it is asking us to actually sign up, and it is not requiring any kind of credit card. So that's the best thing that I like personally. Let's click on the email ID and let's get logged in here, and let's see how does this works. Let's click on the confirm. So I have successfully logged in here, and now let's see how is this working. So it is now generating our template. This will take a few moments. No worries, we'll be waiting for it. So this is how the website is looking like. You can go and change and select any of the format if you want to. Just if I scroll through, you can see that this is how the preview will be. So I'll just go with this section because I'm personally liking this one. And okay, so you basically can go and make any of the changes in any of the section. So this is how it will be created. Like if I just want to make changes on it, like this is not something I'm liking. Like I am a passionate podcaster with a flair of for creating engaging video content. I'm not liking this thing. So all I have to do is come here and click on this AI magic. When I just click on AI magic and click on improve writing, this will automatically change the entire text from this, and it is completely free that you can do. Like if I'm not liking the entire thing, all I can do is just come here and click on this arrow mark and click on this regenerate site. So it will start recreating the website basically for my requirement. So in the meantime, I would like to let you know one more thing, that if you are someone who is not getting adapted with the AI technology, then do understand that you are really missing out to very big things. See, you are actually missing a lot of things in this 2023 futuristic revolutionary way of working. See, AI is not going to replace anybody. It is very clear that. But yes, if I am being adapted with the AI technology, and if someone else from my same company is not getting adapted with the AI technology, obviously he will be replaced, because the amount of productivity and the amount of creativity that I can do, it will be more than what he can do basically, because in a very lesser period of time, I'm actually being able to create a lot of content, a lot of things with the help of AI method. So similarly, if you also want to get adapted with the AI technology, do check out the link in the description below. So basically this link is for a course. This course is happening just for 9 rupees. See, I'm not here to sell this course. I'm actually here to let you know that this course is going to be something where you can actually get the access and a starting point to know that how can you get adapted with the AI technology. This course is something where you will be learning that how can you use AI tools for LinkedIn, AI tools for Microsoft Excel, AI tools for building presentation, AI tools for interview skills, AI tools for report building, research, research, AI tools for coding and programming, and a lot of things more. That just 9 rupees. Firstly, you will be able to learn about the AI technology, that too for 3 continuous hours, and that too it is a live workshop, and that too it will be happening by 2 IIT Kharagpur alumni who have co-founded multiple 7-figure companies, and they by themselves are going to teach you all these things. Accelerate your career at a price of less than a chai. I do consider this and I do relate with this, because at the price of 9 rupees at chai bhi nahi milte, and if you're able to access to this course, this is a very super massive things. If you really want to get adapted with the AI technology, I'm not forcing you. This is just a way to start and get enhanced, and also you will get the certificate at the end of the course. Go check out the link in the description below and enroll for the course. And now let's get back to the video. So this is the regenerated version of the website that we were actually looking for. You can see that the about section, the podcast videos showcase, we can go here and upload our video links, and we can write some of our testimonials or kind of review here. Here's something we can update the number of videos, that is the upcoming lineup, and few highlighted videos, some educational things, some references, some contact a CTA, all these things you can do. And you can see that the overall look, if I say, it is really looking very good. If I just click on the mobile view, you can actually go and see that it will automatically be mobile optimized also. So this is something you can do within few seconds with the help of CodeDesign.ai. So if you want to create a website with the help of AI, this is something that you should be looking for. If I just come here, I'll be writing something like Tushar Wak, name available. I'll just click on save and publish, and now I'll be getting a URL that is completely free and that is completely made for me. So how can I access it? I can access it with the help of this generated link. So let me just wait for the link and let me see that how does this works. Okay, let's click on the publish button. Let's copy this link and let's see. So the website will be something like tusharwakt.codedesign.app. So once I click on it here, we need to click on the publish button at the right side of the builder. Okay, I need to click here. I need to click on the deploy. Once I published, now I'll click the refresh button, and now you can see that the website is completely ready. So this is a website basically which I made within few seconds with the help of this CodeDesign AI tool. So similarly, you can go and create any of your website. You can make any of the changes, and if you want also, you can create it with your personal hosting or domain. There's the option add to WordPress, add to domain, a lot of things you can do. And also you can export it if you want to export it in the HTML and CSS format, so that you can use it if you are a coder, or if you're someone who wants to export it in a HTML and CSS, basically in the coding format. So this was all about how you can create a website with the help of AI. The tool name is CodeDesign.ai. The link is also given in the description below. Do check it out. And yes, I hope you really found the video helpful. If yes, then do not forget to hit the like button, because it motivates us and it actually boosts us up to create a lot of more videos just something like this. And also let me know that what kind of AI tools do you use on your daily basis in order to actually manage your efficiency and do more amount of tasks. And I will be actually interacting with all your AI tools, and it will be a way of learning and interacting and growing together. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying tuned with Be10x. This was Tushar Wakt wrapping up here. I'll see you with one more amazing video. Bye bye.